She probably just want to take up farming, you know.
Welcome back. You're probably familiar with blind people who have seen eye dogs. But what about a seeing eye dog can help the dog